Negative 5 plus 5 gives us 0. So 0 times 5 over 5. 0 times 5 equals 0, and 0 divided by 5 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, in the numerator, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition. If we do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay, so first this multiplication, 5 times 5 is just 25. So we have negative 5 plus 25 over 5. No, we do this addition. Negative 5 plus 25 gives us 20, and 20 over 5 is just 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.